Hello everyone. So in the previous video, we have studied about the algebraic expression and the addition of algebraic expressions by two methods, row and the vertical method or column method. So in this video, let us study about the subtraction. Again, we have the subtraction of two types, or we can do subtraction by two types. The first one is the row method, or we can say it as horizontal method, row or horizontal method, and the second one is the same as column or vertical method. So let us do that. But before moving to the subtraction, I want to revise one property which you have already studied in your integers, that a minus b will give you what? You can see here two symbol of minuses are coming here, 1 and 2. When two symbol of minus is coming or before a bracket, or we can say that whenever a symbol of minus is coming before a bracket, we have to change the symbol of whatever is coming inside the bracket. Like it will become a plus b. It will become a plus b. One more example I will show you. For example, if I am having a minus b plus c minus d. So one thing you always have to remember, that if the symbol of minus is coming before a bracket, if symbol of minus is coming, you always have to change the symbols. How you can change the symbols? It will become a, then this b is actually a positive one, so it will become minus b minus c, and this minus will become plus d. So a minus b minus c plus d. So whenever a symbol of minus is coming before a bracket, all the symbols inside the bracket have to change. See one more example, a minus b minus c plus d. The bracket, or we can say that the symbol of minus is there before bracket, then what will happen? It will become a. This will come as it is, no change will be there. Then this b is actually negative here, so negative means because of the presence of this negative, it will become plus. This minus will become again plus c, and this plus will become minus g. So always remember that whenever the symbol of minus is there before a bracket, you always need to change all the symbols which are inside the bracket. All the symbols which is only inside the bracket. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So let us see some examples of how we can do this row or horizontal method. Then we can move to our column or vertical method. So first example, subtract 9a square from 11a square. First of all, always remember that if from is coming means which number I have to write first? 11. 11a square minus 9a square. Then as same like addition, if they are like terms, I have already told in my first video, in the last video, we can do subtraction and addition only in the case when they are like terms. So they both are the like terms. 11 minus 9 a square will give you 2a square. Okay, very easy one. Let us see one more example. In that we can see, example is subtract minus 4xy from 12xy. Subtract minus 4xy from 12xy. So which number I have to write first? This one or this one? Yes, very good. 12xy, because I have to do the mathematical operation subtraction. So minus, then this one, minus 4xy. Now This rule we have to use here. If symbol of minus is there before the bracket, all the symbols will change. So minus minus will become, yes, plus. Now what it will be? 12 plus 4 means 16, then same variable xy. Okay. So what will happen? What will happen if I will just make a small change here, that this will also be a minus 12xy. If this also be the minus 12xy, then how we can do it? How we can do it? It will become minus 12xy, because subtraction minus 4xy. Is it clear? Now, next step will be this two minuses will become plus. So minus 12xy plus 4xy. Now, if both are the same, because both are the same variables, so they both are the like terms, I will do minus 12 plus 4 xy. Now minus 12 plus 4 plus minus 12 minus 4, 8. 8 will be negative or positive? Yes, negative, because 12 is the bigger number and having the symbol of minus before it. So minus 8xy. This will be our final answer. So this is called actually the row method. I will give some more difficult examples in row method. This is only one term, so let us see how we can subtract two or three terms together. Subtract 4x square plus 9ab plus 3 from, or let me make it minus 3, from 10ab plus 5 minus 6x square. I want to subtract this complete algebraic expression, from this one. I want to subtract this first algebraic expression from the second algebraic expression. So from is there, so means I have to write which algebraic expression first? Very good. Which one I have to write first means this one, second one. So 10ab plus 5 minus 6x square. Subtraction is there, so minus, inside the bracket what will come? 4x square plus 9ab minus 3. This entire thing will come. Now don't forget that if the symbol of minus is there before bracket, then what will happen? All the symbols inside this bracket will change. Very good. So let us see that. 10ab plus 5 minus 6x square. Then this 4 is actually positive now. If it is positive, and because of this symbol of minus, it will become negative. Very good. So minus 4x square. This positive will change to negative, minus 9ab, and this negative will change to positive. Very good. Now what should be our step? We know that only like terms we can do addition or subtraction. So how we can do like terms addition and subtraction now? What we can do, we will make, or we will arrange them together. All the like terms we will write together so that we can do addition or subtraction. Now, first of all, this time I am writing 10ab. Can you say which is the like term to 10ab, which is having ab, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, ab. So can I write this term here now? Can I write this ab here? Then it will be better. So minus 9ab. Now this second term I am writing here, plus 5. So which is other term having not having any variable, means which is another constant here? Very good. 3 is the constant here, so positive 3. Now I am writing this term here, minus 6x square. What is the other term, or which is the other like term to minus 6x square? Very good. Minus 4x square. Now, just I want to do the mathematical operation between the like terms only. Between the like terms only I want to do. Now let us see how we can do it. 10 minus 9ab. 10ab minus 9ab. So 10 minus 9 will how much? 1. So we can write 1ab. 1 will be positive because 10 is bigger. Okay. Plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. 8 will be positive or negative? Positive. So I will put a symbol of positive. Now minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4. If I am writing here minus 6 minus 4, how much it will give you? Minus minus will always become plus. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 will be negative or positive? It will be negative. Very good. So minus 10, what will be the variable here? X square. So this will be your final answer, but you know that whenever 1 is coming as the coefficient, no need of mentioning it. We can simply write as AB plus 8 minus 10 square. This will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. So this is all about the row or the horizontal method of doing subtraction. Now let us see the another one. I hope you have understood this one. It's a very easy method and a very convenient method, and it is also the old method to do it. Now, see the another one, that is vertical or column method. Vertical or column method. It is actually similar like the writing, like if I am saying to small kid add 4 plus 5, how he will write 4 plus 5. Like that, if we are writing in this format, is actually called as vertical or column. Writing in this format is actually called as the vertical method or column method. So now let us see how we can do the subtraction of algebraic expressions by using vertical method. So example, subtract 13q square from 8q square. Subtract 13q square from 8q square. So I have to write in this format. Which number will come first? 8q square will come first. Minus, subtraction is there, minus 13q square. This one. Variable, nothing will happen. Variable will, as it is, we can write as q square. Now 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13, how much? Very good. How much it will come? Or we can say that it will be minus 5. Why it is minus 5? Because 13 is bigger. Or we can say that from a smaller number we are subtracting a bigger number. That is why we are getting the answer as minus 5. This will be our answer. See one more example. Subtract 12c plus 10d square from minus 15d square minus or plus 10c. Subtract this from this. So for this number will come first, this expression will come first, minus 15d square plus 10c. Then this will come down. Like terms will come same. So 12c will come here. 12 is positive here. So I will write plus 12c then plus 10d square. Now one thing is there. Whenever we want to do subtraction, do you remember in row case also, all the symbols were changing. All the symbols were changing of the second one, means which is coming the down. So all the symbols will change here. So this positive will actually become negative, and this positive will also become negative. Now we have to see 10 minus 12, means actually we have to forget this symbol now. There is no need of this symbol. 10 minus 12. How much it will be? 10 minus 12. Very good. Minus 2. Variable will be the same. Now minus 15 minus 10. Minus 15 minus 10. Minus minus will become plus. So 15 plus 10 will give you 25, and it will be negative 25. So we can write minus 25 d square. Minus 25d square. Just the trick is that, or the one turning point is there in subtraction, change the symbols of the expression which you are writing at the down. Change the symbol of the expression which you are writing at the down. Subtract this from this, means this will come first and this will come down. So we have to change the symbol of that algebraic expression which is coming down. Plus will become negative and negative will become positive. And after making the changes, we have to consider only the new symbol. We don't have to consider the old symbol. See one more example. Subtract 20xy minus 12z plus 13 minus, I am just simply writing this, subtract this, or instead of that I will write this and minus 8xy minus 12 plus 10z. See here, subtract this and this. Here we are not using the word from. We are not saying the word, or we are not using the word from. So no need of writing this first and this first. What we can do, subtract this and this, means we have to write this number first, like 20xy minus 12z plus 13, and this number will come down, that will become minus 8xy minus 12. This will come under this one or this one? Very good, 13. So it will be right here, because like terms we have to write together under each other. Then plus 10z, it will come here, plus 10z. Because it is a subtraction, that means we have to change the symbols of the second one. So this negative will become positive, positive will become negative, negative will become positive. Now we have to forget these symbols. No use of these symbols now. We only have to look over new symbols. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8, how much? Very good, 28xy. Positive 28xy, so I am not mentioning the symbol here, positive. Now minus 12 minus 10, minus minus plus 12 plus 10, 22. 22 will be negative or positive? Negative. Very good, z. Now 13 plus 12. 13 plus 12, easy one, plus 25. So this will be our final answer. So I hope now you all have understood how we can do the subtraction of algebraic identities using the row method as well as the column method. I hope you like my video. If you like it, Please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.